Have you ever wondered how people are making money online using AI tools? The truth is, many beginners are already using free AI tools to start online side hustles and earn money from the internet. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. In this video, I will show you 7 powerful AI tools that can help you make money online in 2026. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tool can help you create viral content very easily. The first AI tool is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. You can use it to write blog posts, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, or even entire ebooks. Many freelancers use ChatGPT to complete writing tasks much faster than before. For example, a client might ask for a blog article or marketing copy. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas and content quickly. This allows you to work faster and take more projects online. The fourth tool is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs creates very realistic AI voiceovers. Instead of recording your own voice, you can generate professional narration using AI voices. Many YouTube creators use this tool for automation videos, storytelling channels, and educational content. The fifth tool is Runway ML. Runway ML is an AI video editing tool that helps create unique visuals and effects. Creators use it to generate AI videos, remove backgrounds, and create creative content. This tool is becoming very popular among content creators. The sixth tool is Midjourney. Midjourney allows you to generate stunning AI images from simple text prompts. Many people sell AI-generated images online as digital products or print-on-demand designs. This is becoming a popular online business model. The second tool is Canva. Canva is widely used for graphic design and content creation. With Canva AI features, you can easily create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, and digital products. Many freelancers earn money by designing thumbnails and social media posts for clients. You can also create digital products like templates, planners, or ebooks and sell them online. The third AI tool is Pictory AI. Pictory helps turn text into professional videos automatically. Many YouTube automation channels use tools like this to create videos without recording themselves. You can write a script, add AI voiceover, and Pictory will generate the video for you. This makes content creation much faster and easier. The seventh and final tool is OpusClip. OpusClip automatically converts long videos into short viral clips. These clips can be used on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Short-form content can bring massive traffic and help your channel grow quickly. AI tools are changing the future of online work. The earlier you start learning these tools, the better your chances of building an online income. If you want more videos about AI tools and ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to like the video if you found these tools helpful.